What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be doing a quick 10-minute burn. I've got 5 exercises picked out for us. No equipment needed, it's all body weight. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Starting off with tabletop leg extensions. For this exercise, you're going to come down and hold up your body on your arms. So bring your arms behind you. Let your butt down to the ground, and then we're going to do almost like a glute bridge. Bring your butt off the ground and extend one of your legs. While you're extending one of your legs, your opposite leg will be on the floor balancing you, and then when you come down, go ahead and switch legs. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it, guys. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure when you bring your butt up, you're bringing your hips up as high as they can go so you have a nice, even abdomen, and then you can extend your leg. And don't extend your leg too high. Try not to kick it up into a vertical. Just try to kick it out straight so that your body is one level. Go ahead and take a 10-second rest. All right, guys, last set, last 20. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Next up, we have walkouts. For this exercise, come up into the standing position. We are going to do a bear crawl out, so slightly bend your knees and start to crawl down like an inchworm. Then we're going to inch our way back up into the standing neutral position. I'm going to call myself out right now and say, do not drop your lower back like I am. Try to keep your back nice and flat. After watching the footage, I can tell that I'm dropping my lower back in too far, and that's not the way you want to do it. You want to keep your back nice and neutral and flat. So don't copy my form on this exercise, you guys, but definitely do better. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, when you do come back up, you can go ahead and squeeze your glutes at the top. Go ahead and take a 10-second rest. All right, guys, moving into set 3. This is our last 20. Let's get it. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Next up, we're going to be doing squat to calf raise. So when you do this exercise, go ahead and squat down while you're down in the squatting position. Do a calf raise and then raise your body back up and repeat. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it, you guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you keep your back nice and flat, and when you push up from your heels. So come down, do your calf raise, and then push yourself up from your heels. Go ahead and take a 10-second rest. All right, guys, last set, last 20. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Next up, we have side step jacks. So for this exercise, we're going to be doing a jumping jack, but moderation. This exercise, we're not going to be jumping. You're just going to step out, wave your arms up above your head, and then step out on the opposite side. We've got 3 sets of 20. Take it slow. Let's get it. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure that when you bring your arms up, you're bringing them together above your head. So don't crisscross your hands over each other, just bring them together. When you step out, make sure you're stepping out as far as you can without moving your body, your whole body to one side. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. All right, guys, moving into set 3. This is our last 20. Let's get it. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. For this last exercise, we're going to be doing pulse lunges. So come into a static lunge position and we're going to pulse lunge for 30 seconds. We're going to do 3 sets for 30 seconds on one leg and then alternate legs. We want to keep the resistance on the single leg for that amount of time. We've got 3 sets. Let's get it, you guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your back knee off the ground. Make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight and your front knee is not going over your front toe. There's a lot to pay attention to, but take it slow and you're gonna get it. Last break on this side, we have a 10-second rest and then our last set. All right guys, last set, last 30 seconds, push through it. No breaks here, you guys. Go ahead and switch to your opposite leg. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, same thing over here. Make sure your back knee is off the ground, your front knee is not going over your front toe, and you're keeping your back nice and straight. Go ahead and take your last 10-second rest. All right, guys, this is our last set, last 30 seconds. Let's go, we're almost done. And that's the workout, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.